back to Average Hero. I am Aaron, or
Ron.
Yeah, I forgot about that and still be using it. So today we're going to be doing some add-ons to the underside of the Camaro. One of the things that I have discovered when wanting to change your tires or do anything with you had to take the tires or lift the car, put it on jack stands, that type of thing, is where to jack the car up from. Now there is spots to lift the car up from, but it's a pinch weld under there, so it's just a seam, a vertical seam, front and back, two on both sides. And if you don't have the right equipment, you could actually fold that over because of the weight of the car. So instead of always having that on my jack stand, on my hydraulic jack, I decided to get the ZL1 lift pads. So these are from Wildhammer Motorsports. I want to say they're maybe about $50 or something like that. I bought them a while ago. I've just been waiting to put them on. They're attached by some Allen screws. They even give you the little Allen wrench to tighten those on. And you just got one on the front, one on the back. That's where you can lift up from, then place your jack stands, take your jack, your hydraulic jack out. But I'm gonna put these on right now. It's really easy. It only takes probably maybe 5, not even 10 minutes for the whole car. And they should stay on pretty good. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this looks like under the car, and that should be about it. So as I said, that's kind of what they look like. They're milled. Looks like they're cut out of a solid piece of aluminum. Not very heavy. You got that channel there that goes right in that pinch weld, and you can see the Allen screws right there. And then you'll probably need to put the Allen screws on towards the inside of the car, not the outside, just so you can get the Allen wrench under there. Well, there you have it. It's that simple. It's a little tricky with the Allen wrench that they give you, trying to get that tight. With a little bit of patience, you can do that. I had to switch it up and use one of my drivers to make that happen a little faster. 4 points around the car. You can just basically tell where they go by the little cutouts underneath on the body paneling. Just find a good spot for it where you think your jack will have easy access to it. And that's it. That way you don't damage the underside of your car, and it stays clean and straight, and add a little bit of color underneath there too. It's pretty with the red. You can pretty much know where you need to go, or if you have take your car to a mechanic, if you're not working on it yourself, they'll know where to lift it from. That's the Average Hero's latest video for the day. If you like it, please subscribe, like the video. If there's something else that you like to use, of course, always like to hear your comments. Other than that, you guys have a great day. Be safe.